Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to program a universal remote to a Samsung TV, both with the codes and without the codes. So first of all, you need to start by turning your Samsung TV on manually. After doing so, you just have to simply press and hold the setup or the magic button on your remote. On the universal remote unit, the indicator light stays solid. After doing so, what you need to do is you need to simply enter a Samsung TV code, and some of the Samsung codes that I can provide you are 0101, we have 0001, we have 00919, and then we have 0056. So you can try these codes depending on the remote's brand. Now if the TV turns off or responds, the code worked successfully. Now if none of the codes are working for you, you can use the automatic search method. In it, you just have to simply press and hold the setup and then the TV button until the light stays on. Now you need to repeatedly press the power button slowly while pointing the remote at the TV. The remote cycles through stored Samsung codes automatically until the TV responds. Then once the TV turns off, you just have to simply press the OK or the enter button in order to save that code. So after programming, just make sure that you test the volume controls and all of the buttons that are available over here. Sometimes the TV powers on correctly, but certain functions still don't work, which means another Samsung code may work better. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.